In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to host an event on Circle. So, whether you're planning a small gathering or a larger virtual event, Circle.so provides a robust platform to manage and bring your community together. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Circle.so admin account. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to all the tools you need in one place. Now head over to the left sidebar and click on the Spaces option. This is where you can see all the different spaces or categories within your community. It's important to choose the right space where you want the event to be hosted, as this helps in organizing your events and reaching the correct audience within your community. Once you've selected your space, it's time to create the event. On this page, look for the Create Post button, and from the drop-down menu, choose Event or Livestream. This is how you set up the framework for your event. After clicking on that, you'll find fields to enter your event's title, description, date, and time. Be as detailed as possible in your description to generate interest and provide value to your potential attendees. Next, you have the option to add a physical location, a Zoom link, or another streaming link. This is optional but highly recommended for clarity, especially if your event will be held online. This is where your audience will go to attend your event, so make sure the information here is accurate. Now it's time to set who can access your event. Scroll down to Settings, then Access. You can select members only or specific plans, depending on how open you want the event to be. Once you've made your selection, don't forget to save these changes. It ensures that only the right attendees can access your event. Having configured all the settings, click on Post to make your event live. At this point, the event is visible to those with access, but it's not yet actively running. To maximize participation, consider inviting members. You can do this by either copying the event's link or sending invites directly via email. This step will certainly help in gathering a larger audience for your event. Now that invitations are sent and members are aware, you're prepared. When the scheduled time arrives, navigate to the post and click Go Live or Start Event. This initiates the live session, allowing attendees to join in real time. Once the event is live, one more thing to keep in mind is monitoring attendance. To do this, simply click on the event post and navigate to attendees to see who has joined. This can provide valuable insights into your community engagement and help plan future events. And there you have it. With your event now up and running, you'll be able to interact with your community effectively. We hope this guide helps you in hosting successful gatherings on Circle.